This project is located in Yunnan Province, within the core area of industrial production. The main raw water pipeline network guarantees water supply to major factories along the route, playing a vital role in local industrial dot. The project requires repairing a 1,600-meter DN700 main water supply pipe. Built in the 1970s, this 50-year-old pipeline has far exceeded its designed lifespan. Severely aged after long-term operation, the pipeline has internal wall corrosion, sedimentation, scaling, and leakage. It causes a lower water flow efficiency, worse water quality, higher risk of pipe bursts, and serious threats to water supply safety. Complex site conditions and constraints rule out full-line large-scale digging for this project. The pipeline passes through garden reserves, major roads and reservoir waters, including 200 meters river road crossing sections, with 10 meters vertical drops at some manholes and dense, tangled underground pipelines. Construction is highly challenging. To minimize construction impacts on the surrounding ecology, traffic, and water supply, the entire project adopts fold and form technology. No big digging, no harm to garden plants, no traffic block. Production of enterprises along the route remains unaffected. Fix the old one right where it is, underground. The first phase of 700-meter pipeline repair was successfully completed in 7 days. After repair, the inner walls are smooth, no more leakage risks. Water flow is back to full capacity. Water quality has improved. Pipeline service life will last much longer. Green, efficient no-dig repair tech strengthens water supply security, ensuring stable, long-term industrial raw water delivery.